when we talk about the professionalism of Dr. Vineet, because only a few days ago I had to see another doctor in this context, and I could make out a comparison. So Dr. Vineet is this level higher, no doubt. That's a fact of life.
So are you very satisfied with that all the
More than
treatments?
satisfied. More than satisfied.
Because
Except the only difference is that shall I say it or shall I not say it? The prices are very high as compared to other countries, other parts of the country. Like Devlali, it was being done at half the price. But the comparison in the treatment, the attitude, and the knowledge of the doctor is no comparison.
sir, yes. And sir, what you think about the cleanliness and hygiene overall?
Very good, very effective, very acceptable, very high level. Not only the doctor, the staff also.
सर सर आपको कोई वेट तो नहीं करना पड़ता बहुत ज़्यादा जैसे आपका
Never, never,
अपॉइंटमेंट
ever, never, ever.
so whenever you have given the time at that time
Yes,
only you
no,
have the
yes,
appointment fixed,
no,
right?
no two ways about it.
Right, you don't waste your time here, right?
Never, no,
Extra.
no. That occasion never arose.
Right. So what do you think about overall Dr. Vineet Bansal and जैसे आपने implant कराए हैं sir, what do you feel about the implant experience?
I think it's very sound. I have no complaints at all. I have to put it very small. I mean, simply, no complaints at all. Very satisfactory.
बहुत टाइम से आ रहे हैं आप यहाँ पे?
Not only me, my family, my other close relatives like my daughter, my son-in-law. At least for 5 years, we've been attending, coming to this clinic.
But what do you like the most about this clinic?
I would say overall the best that I know of.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.